Good morning, Cookies. If you're looking at this, you've finished reading Where's My Mummy? And it's time to do your craft project. So, you should have a bag. It's got the plate, some yellow circles, a strip of black, and a big white piece of paper. And guess what else you're going to need? A glue stick. Yeah. So, first thing we need, just set your paper plate to the side and your 2 white dots to the side. Now, you might need to do we're going to do something special with this paper. We're going to do a little tearing because I'm going to take this and tear it just a little smaller so that it fits on my plate, and I'm going to glue it down. Remember, only go up so far because you don't want it to glue. A couple swipes with the glue stick and stick it on here. Now, those 2 yellow circles, just rub along the top of that glue stick and stick one on here and stick one, right next to it, right there. And then we're going to put it to the side. This we won't need. You save it for a craft project. Now, your paper. We're going to do something fun with it. We're going to rip it. Now, remember, you want to rip long strips of your paper. Do they have to be perfect strips? Absolutely not. But you don't want super fat strips, but you want strips. So, just keep on tearing until you've got a bunch of strips. Okay? And then you're going to put some glue on these. And these are going to be your mummy's bandages. So you just start going over it. Put it on. Make sure the eyes stay showing though. I'm going to put some more glue. And I'm not putting a ton of glue. I'm just like rubbing it along. And then I'm sticking it on right here. And I'm going to keep going until everything's covered except for the eyes. So let's add another strip on here. Cover the bottom. And another one on the side here. And then I'll start working on the top part. And I'll show you in just a second. Ooh, that piece is a bit big. So, whoop, rip. Now it fits. That's the fun part about this, is yours does not have to look like mine. It can look as special as you want it to be. And there you go. There's your mummy project. I hope you have fun with it. Have a great day, Cookies.